Rip, my total knee replacement surgery was done in August, is healed, and I've been working back into training. My range of motion, however, is up to 25 degrees less on the new knee side. It would appear that I will be unable to squat below or even to parallel because of this. Would you recommend I resort to box squats at my max effective range of motion or regular squats just as low as I can manage? Understanding that an excessive knee flexion failure in the prosthetic side can result in serious injury, right? Vicky, so this is a girl, and Vicky is assuming that a surgery done in August is completely healed right now, and this has not been my experience. I've seen several people come back into the gym with an abbreviated range of motion after a total knee replacement. In Phil's case and in Wilson's case, they both started off probably, 2 inches above parallel, and both of them squat below parallel just fine. Now, that took place over a couple of years. So what I would recommend that Vicky do is squat to the box, measure the box down to wherever your range of motion is right now, and just train there for a while. And what you'll notice is that your range of motion slowly over time will begin to increase, and you should be back to a relatively normal range of motion by this time next year. But don't be afraid to challenge it from time to time. I'd work to the box, develop a little confidence in your out of the bottom strength, and look for that to continue to improve over time. You're not done healing up, okay?